Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the weekly reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Gemini and the read starts from the 8th through the 14th of October 2021. I will be adding messages from your person, plus I will be also adding oracle cards as well, so stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it is a general reading, it may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the signs and messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well in the description box. So let's see, Geminis, what can you expect coming up for you for this week time? Let's begin. Queen of Cups. There's a lot of love that you have for someone. Maybe there's a lot of feelings that you feel for a specific someone, but then I don't see you revealing that emotion that you're holding in yourself about or for someone. I feel like it's more like you're keeping your emotions to yourself, you're keeping your feelings to yourself. It's almost the same message that showed up for the love notes read that I did for the Geminis. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was the same message for Geminis, but yeah. It seems like you do have love for someone, and but I don't see you taking action to that one person. You believe when the time is right, things will fall into place. Let's see more cards here. Two of Swords, the Hangman. I feel like your love life is definitely on hold right now, even though you do have love for a specific someone, but you are unable to take the decision around it. Now, why is that so? For some of you, maybe you haven't revealed your true feelings to that one person. Um, and it's more like you're waiting maybe for a sign from them. Maybe you are waiting for them to make a decision about your love offer that you might have made to them. um, but it seems like maybe at times you feel like letting your feelings out to that person, whoever it is that you're interested in, but then you hold yourself back because you are not sure if you should be expressing your love or not, and you are waiting for the right time there. I feel like there is this indecisiveness about expressing love or not expressing love. I don't think that you have any lack of clarity around you do have love for that person. It's just that you feel like maybe the time is not right now where you could or you should express your love. So you are holding yourself back from expressing the love. Deep down you are kind of juggling, shall I not express my feelings. Let's see more cards here. You really have your feelings are developing stronger and deeper for this one person. Now for some of you, if this is not you, it can be the energy of a person who has strong feelings for you, but then they are not taking any action towards you. Not that they don't want to, it's just that they are fearful. Shall they not? It's more like they do have feelings, but they don't know if they should approach you that way or not. Let's see more cards here. Six of Wands, but eventually they will, or eventually you will, if it's your energy. Underneath the deck we do have the Death, underneath that we do have the Six of Swords, underneath that we do have the Six of Cups. Now it can be a past person as well, or and it could be a past person that you're dealing with, and maybe you are unsure of you expressing your love to that person because maybe you are not sure if this person is single or not. That could be the one thing which is holding you back right now. That could be the one thing which is kind of uh, putting you on wait until unless you receive a sign from that person. You're not going to make a move towards them, or maybe if they are the one who are waiting to make a move towards you, maybe they are waiting for you to give them a sign as well. So I feel like this week is going to be such for you. Let's see messages from your person. Let's see, what do they want you to know. What is the message from your person? There are addictions in this situation. It can be your person addicted to something else. Maybe they are working on those addictions. They are transforming themselves. Maybe there have been things which were kind of controlling them, if that's the case for some of you. And I feel like now they are breaking free from that, so they could come forward. Don't pressure me, please. I feel like maybe your person had some things to get done with before they could come towards you, and you know that they will, and maybe you are on the waiting side for them to reach out or give them a sign, give you a sign. So it's more like that this person is definitely going to come back to you. You're not pressuring them because that's what they told you maybe in the past as well. they don't want you to pressure them, so maybe you have kind of let them have the time, and you're waiting for them to reach out. You're waiting for them to kind of come and express their feelings to you, which they will. With this card here, it seems like they will. Just that they might take time, and I feel like it seems like this person would show up in this week time itself. So let's see one more message from your person. Let's see what it has to add. Love is not everything, at least for me. So maybe they are somebody who's going through a lot in their life right now. Maybe they have addictions to get rid of. They have other important things happening in their life right now, maybe, and love is not the only thing on their mind right now. But deep down, you know that you have love for this person. You're not doubtful around it. But yes, you hold yourself back because you don't want to pressure your person. You want to be sure that this person exactly wants you the way you want them. And until and unless that shows up to you, you're not going to take any action towards that person. That's the reason why you're holding yourself back. Let's see Oracle guidance. Let's see what the Oracle has to suggest for you in this week time. You know what to do. Trust your inner knowledge and act upon it without delay. So whatever it is that your heart is asking you to go for, if you feel like taking a step towards your person, go ahead. If you feel like no, they will reach out to you when they are ready, let them have the time, and don't pressure them up around the situation. So just listen to your inner knowing around this connection. Go within. You are a very intuitive person, and there are many wonderful insights that lie waiting inside you. Take time to be quiet and reflect upon the desires of your heart through meditation or prayer. There's no need to take action right now. Be patient with yourself. Now, you know what is your heart asking you to go for. If it is asking you to take action, take action. If it is asking you to don't pressure that person and let them have the time to decide about you, then do that. Do follow that. Let's see more cards. Five of Spring, opposing goals arising from differing opinions, feeling at odds with yourself or others, overly ambitious people. Now, for some of you, I feel like you believe that your person, whoever it is that you're dealing with, they are over ambitious about their, maybe they do have addiction towards their work, career goals, and stuff like that. So it's very important for you to let this person be. Don't pressure this person, because this person might have told you that in the past as well. I feel like you are being very patient, and you are going to wait for this person to reach out to you with something beautiful to offer, and which they will. So just try to be patient, and just try to let this person have their time and space. You do have love and you do miss this person, but that's perfectly fine to give this person the time and space so they don't feel pressured by you. Get to know each other, learn to meet another's need for love. I feel like this right now the connection is suffering because there is no open communication, heart to heart conversation between the two of you. Maybe the person that you are dealing with is already married or committed to someone else, or maybe they were once married and they have responsibilities on their shoulders. So it's more like it's very important. Even if you start talking to each other in this week time, make sure you don't pressure this person to commit to you, because I feel like maybe love is not everything for them right now. Maybe having a companionship is what they need right now as well. So just go about how it resonates with you. But yes, I feel like it's time for you to take things slow with your person, so you don't make this person feel like they are being pressured to give commitment as as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to purchase any of the services that I offer, check the description box for that. So yeah, till I do the next reads for you guys, take care and bye bye.